Today we're going to solve the Rubik's Cube. It looks difficult, but once you do these 7 steps, it's rather simple.
So in 10 minutes your cube will look like this.
We're going to start with the white cross, means white here in the middle, and then we're going to align the colors in the middle. So we have green here and white here. And then we want to do the rest of them. So we have red. We need to find a white and red piece. It's here. We spin it to the right position. It's there. We spin it up, but the orientation is wrong. Then we need to go to the side, spin the upper layer up, go up and spin it back into place. Both will be in place here. And then we have blue. We need the blue color. It's here in the bottom again. We're gonna spin it into place. And this time we can just spin it around and it's already in the right place. And lastly, we have orange. It's here. We're gonna spin it into place. This one is not in the right orientation, so we go clockwise, spin the upper layer to the right. We go up and spin everything to the left. So everything falls into place here. That's right. And then the next step, we're going to match these corners. So we want to have red and blue and white. It's this one, and we do 4 simple steps, and we can repeat this until it locks into the right position. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And as you can see, now this one has moved into place, and we can move into the next one. Here we have blue and orange, so we're going to find the blue and orange piece. It's not here, it must be in another corner. So take it up, spin it out of the way and go down again to make sure these stay as they were supposed to. And then we rotate it into place. So we have blue and orange, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, and right. It's in place. Let's do the orange and green one. Where is it? We don't have it. It's in these corners. We go up, come back again. We spin it into place above where we want to have it, and we go up, left, down, right, 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 and it's in place. And the last corner here is this one, and we repeat up, left, down, right, and it's in place. Okay, perfect. Next step is to get these middle pieces here aligned. So you have blue and orange. By luck, it's already in the right place, but we want to do it with all of them. This one's in the right place, but the orientation is wrong. And how do we do that one? We're going to find a piece that has 2 colors, no yellow, because the yellow is part of the yellow cross here on top. In this case, we have green and orange, and we want to have the color facing you above the middle color. So orange and orange. And we have green and green here, and we're going to start by rotating it away from us. That's going to define our hand that we start with. We need both hands in this phase, and we're going to do the same movement but with both hands. So we go up, right, down, left. Then we rotate the cube. So this piece that we want here is facing us. And we do the same move with our right hand. Up, left, down, right. And you see it's in place. And we repeat that. We find another piece. Here we have green above green with red. So we're going to start by rotating it away with our left hand. Then we go up, right, down, left. Rotate the cube. Up, left, down, right. And 2 of them are in place, 3 actually already. Now you can see we have one piece is stuck here. All of these pieces have yellow, so we can't rotate a piece with 2 non-yellow colors here. It's stuck here. What do we do then? Well, we can always maintain this piece here in the right location. So we're gonna do something in between those moves. We're gonna go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. So it's in the right position and our piece is here. If we repeat this, it's gonna end up here, but instead of just going once, we're gonna go twice and place it here on the opposite side. Now when we complete this up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. You see it's in place and we have our piece finally up here. And we're gonna do blue and red from this corner, go opposite, and up, left, down, right, change hand, rotate, up, left, down, right. Okay, and yeah, now the two bottom layers are in place. Next up is the yellow cross. We want to get it here on top. And what we're going to do here is we want to have a yellow L here in the upper left corner and start spinning these pieces facing us. There's a small twist to what we've been doing. It is just to, before you start, you rotate these 9 pieces facing you clockwise. Then you go up, left, down, right, and you rotate them back. It actually looks worse, so we can do it again. We go clockwise, up, left, down, right, and we have a little bit more of these yellow pieces now. Now we're gonna rotate it to the upper left corner here, the L, and we go clockwise, up, left, down, right, and rotate it up there. It didn't quite solve it. Let's do it one more time. Clockwise, up, left, down, right, and rotate up. And we have finally a yellow cross here. The next step is to try to align all of these pieces here, the colors, the middle pieces with the colors. We have yellow and blue. That's pretty good. You will either have all of them or 2 of the colors rotatable into the right position. This is what we want. We want to have 2 colors that are next to each other like this, so we can turn one of them facing to the back and have one on the right side. Then we have a new set of movements, also very simple. We're gonna go up, left, down, and now instead of coming back, we're gonna rotate one more time to the left, and then we go up, we come back the 2 times, right, right, and go down again. Now if we did this correct, we should have everything in place here. So green, orange, blue, and red. Yes, that's perfect. Everything is in place. And now the second final step is we want to have the right colors in the right corner. Currently we have none of them. Here's red and green, and we have orange and green. None of them match. In that case, it doesn't matter where we start. I'm just gonna start here, and again a very simple set of movements. We're gonna go left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. And now we can see if it improved at all. Still nothing in here. Well, this seems to be in place. This is not in place. This is not in place. When we have one corner in place, we want to place that facing us, and we repeat it again. We go left, up, left, down, right, down. This is still in place. Here, the colors are now matching. Same thing here, the colors are matching. And same thing, color is matching here. Now we can finally move to the last step of solving the Rubik's Cube. We're gonna flip this cube upside down. Again with white facing up now. We always wanna solve the piece here down in the corner. And sometimes some of these align perfectly. You would have green here, orange and yellow. That's okay. If you have that, you can put them in the back and rotate the cube until you have one corner that's not in the right position here, facing you in the lower right corner. And then we're going to repeat the moves we've been doing all day long. So we go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, and it's in place. Once it's in place, orange to orange, blue to blue, yellow down, we rotate only the lower layer like this. And then we're going to go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Starting to look good, and we rotate the lower corner, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Last move should be this one if we've done everything correctly, and we go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And there you go. The Rubik's Cube has been solved. It looks like magic, feels like magic, but anyone can do this. So follow these steps and you should be able to solve the cube in no time. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.